Good evening. Welcome to my end of the week recap here for Apple and plan ahead for Tuesday, as this is a long weekend. So enjoy some extra time with your family. Now, I want to go ahead and apologize. I forgot to mention in my last video right here, I got into some 20 April 195 calls at 41 cents. So that's my fault. This was alerted in the Trade Crew chat room. I just simply forgot to put it on my charts for my videos. I ended up working out very well. Was not a play for a gap necessarily, but that worked in my favor and got a nice little day and a half, almost 2 full day move out of it. But when price action rolled over on the daily time frame, pushed below the VWAP and held below, closed, and continued to push down, I went ahead and got out at 74 cents. Looks like price action is going to roll back down, possibly to the 50 SMA, maybe even down here to the 8 and 21 EMA. So just a pattern that told me it was probably time to go ahead and get out of the way. Take the profit that was there and just simply wait. As I said, it is a long weekend, so it's most likely some participants were taking their profits off the table. We've already had a nice strong move up here, all the way from down here at 150 up to 170, call it 175. So I mean, that's a heck of a gain in a matter of 7 trading sessions, it looks like. So nice little move there, and now I will be sitting and waiting at supports. Now go to my game plan for Tuesday. Support levels I'm looking at here are the 8 and 21, which right here are around 167. They're converging together here on the intraday time frame right there. 50 SMA is about 170.80 on the daily time frame over here. Coincides with this red line right here. Now at each of these levels I will be looking at calls. Right here we'll be looking at either 170 weeklies or possibly 170 calls maybe 2 weeks out, depending on what it is that that catches my eye. Down here at the 8 and 21s, I'll be looking at 167.5 calls, probably 2 weeks out. In addition to these levels, if for some crazy reason price action gaps up well above this level right here, there are going to be some bears trapped in the trade. They'll have to start covering, which will compound the buying pressure and start pushing it up higher, at which point I will look for a strong move up on an intraday basis over here. Say it comes straight up, has 5, 10, 15 minutes of a little bit of chop consolidation, a move higher for a power trend, I will go ahead and add into that move and chase it. I have no problem in doing so. However, if it does start to come back down, these are going to be my supports. If it breaks through both of these levels, the exact opposite will happen as opposed to up here. Most likely bulls that are still in the trade will have to start closing and simply will look for support maybe down here at this gap. So that's just a little bit of thinking out loud and plan for what I'm looking for on Tuesday. Everybody have a good weekend and come sign up for the Trade Crew chat room. It is free.